The state of Oregon is legendary for its pristine landscapes, quirky coffee culture, and now as a pioneer in retirement planning with its Oregon Retirement Savings Plan. Whether your business is large, medium, or small, Oregon's retirement plan mandate applies to you, and Cardinal Services has a solution. Oregon's law requires all private sector employers, with one very important exception, to administer a retirement plan. Your plan implementation date depends on the number of employees you employ. Tom owns a manufacturing company, which employs 100 workers. Even though Tom already administers a retirement plan, he now must certify his plan as exempt with the state. As a fiduciary, Tom is responsible for ERISA compliance. Tom does this by getting a free plan comparison from Cardinal, and he's pleasantly surprised to find a better plan at a lower cost. Charlotte owns a mid-sized distribution company. She doesn't offer a retirement plan, but figures she'll just implement OregonSaves. However, Charlotte discovers that a Cardinal Services 401k plan gives her workforce more benefits and flexibility with lower fees and at a lower cost than OregonSaves. Frank owns a food cart which employs 3 workers, and he's worried enough about keeping his business afloat without dealing with these new retirement plan rules. So he can move the food truck to Vancouver, operate illegally, or become a client of Cardinal Services. Frank becomes automatically compliant by co-employing the food truck workers with Cardinal. Smart employers know they need to keep good employees, so they genuinely care about offering up real benefits, and that's why Cardinal's 401k plan makes sense. It's best for employees, employers, and businesses. To learn how Cardinal can help your business, contact us and get started today.